Alrighty, so what are we doing today? Aiman, welcome. Aiman. Okay, so Haley, Javen, Sini, Tsiang, and Aiman. So that's five of y'all. Let's do the number first. Who wants to be number one?
I'll be last.
Okay, so you're gonna be
I'll
five.
be third. I'll be third.
Okay, so 1, 2, and fourth position up for grabs.
Teacher,
Yes, Javen.
I'll be third.
Who wants to be first? Any takers? Haley, Tsiang, and Sini, what position would y'all like between 1, 2, and 4? Okay, guys, come on, I want to stop.
I want four. I want four.
Okay, so third, fourth, and
I
fifth.
want three. I want three.
Okay, so third, fourth, and fifth taken up. Tsiang and Sini. Sini, too late, darling. Third, fourth, and fifth has been taken up already. So you only have first and second. Tsiang also hasn't answered me.
I'll take the first one.
Okay, so Tsiang is first. Sini, you don't have a choice, sweetie, because yeah, you're gonna be second. And then
Third.
Javen is third, Haley is fourth, and Aiman is fifth. All right, let's move on. Okay, so today we're gonna do hang on. Why is this not scrolling? Okay. So I'm not gonna go through this, you already know that. Okay, we're gonna do vocab, which is 5 questions only, and there's 5 of y'all, so it's perfect. And then we're gonna do grammar, and then we're gonna do a little bit of situational. So we're gonna breeze through our vocab because I want to spend a little bit more time on your situational. So I'm gonna read this for you guys, and then I'm just gonna get you guys to, oh, it's only 4 questions, is it? Okay, it's 5. All right, I'm gonna read the whole passage, so please listen. One widely held theory about the purpose of dreams is that they help you store important memories and things you've learned and sort through complicated thoughts and feelings. Research shows that sleep helps store memories. If you learn new information and sleep on it, you'll be able to recall it better than if asked to remember the information without the assistance of sleep. Dreams that help you deal productively with emotions, memories, and other information may seem very helpful. In contrast, the occasional nightmare is considered to be more frightening or upsetting. Nightmares tend to be caused by stress, anxiety, or sometimes as a reaction to certain medication. All right, so this passage is about dreams. I thought it was kind of interesting. All right, so let's start with question 1. Let me just get question 1. Thank you. Oh dear. Tsiang, you want to give me the answer for question 1, darling? Tsiang,
All right. It is.
Tsiang,
I said it was.
sorry, what?
I said that it was B.
You said that it was
B.
B or broadly. Okay, sorry, I really cannot hear you, Tsiang. You need to do something to make sure that your mic is working. One widely held theory, okay, so instead of widely, he thinks it's broadly. Is he correct? Yes, because widely doesn't mean totally. It doesn't mean completely. Widely refers to a range of people. That means someone, that means a lot of people, okay? A lot of people know that, widely known, okay? Not narrow. Narrow is the opposite meaning of widely. All right? So the answer is B. Thank you. All right, what I did right now was called the process of elimination. All right, let's move on. All right, next one. Sini, I know your camera is off, but I need you to switch on your audio so that you could, oh, your camera's on, to tell me the answer. Purpose of dreams. What is another word for purpose?
Point.
Yes, so the purpose of dreams, in fact, a lot of students will say that one widely held theory about the goal of dreams is that they help. All right. A lot of students will actually put goal because purpose normally means what is your purpose, what's your goal. But in this context, in this passage, it is more of point. It's not the issue, it's not the plan, but it is the point. So what is the point of dreams is that they help you to store information. Thank you, Sini. All right, number 3, I think it's Javen. Javen, another word for recall. What does recall mean?
Remember.
Yeah, this is very easy. I don't even need to, it's not reproduce, it's not ability, it's not reuse. It is, you shouldn't be getting this wrong. All right, number 4, Haley, assistance. Another word for assistance. Are you there, Haley?
I chose help.
Okay. Assistance is quite easy. I thought this passage is quite easy. Assistance means help. It's not the knowledge, but in certain things, in certain contexts, assistance can refer to knowledge. But in this particular passage, so you're always very, very important to go back to context. And what do I mean by context? Go back to the situation at hand. Okay. So it's not advice, it's not assistance, but in certain situations, right? Could I have got some assistance regarding this legal matter? So in that sense, it could be advice. All right. But however, in this particular situation, you're talking about help. Thank you. And lastly, Aiman, what does productively mean? Dreams that help you do productively.
Constructively.
Constructively. Productively means to be able to use time in a useful manner. So dreams that help you to deal productively, something that is positive. All right. The opposite of productive is unproductive. Use your time productively in a useful manner. All right. Not practically, not actually, not fully, but constructively. So these are your answers. I just want to have a quick show. Let me tell me how much you guys got out of 5. Let's start with Tsiang. Tsiang, how much did you get out of 5?
I got full mark.
Well done. Sini? 4. Javen? 5 full marks.
The
Well done.
teacher Caitlin not here. Let's go.
No, she's not. Yeah, she's not. Yeah.
I hate that girl.
Javen, that was so rude. And Aiman, I can't see your face properly, Aiman. But how much did you get, Aiman?
3, and I'm Kai Sanat.
Oh, you got 3. Why?
I chose P.
I thought it was a
3
relatively.
points without Caitlin in.
KSI.
Can I show you who's here?
Alfonso Davies. I hate Caitlin. So.
Can I show you who's here right now?
Oh, I
Is
hate
that a
Davies.
dog?
It's so
Oh my
quiet.
god, she's so black.
Darcy, say hi.
Oh, your dog is there.
Darcy.
Yeah, Darcy is there.
That's
Oh
How did she not get frostbite?
Oh, she's wearing a sweater. Can you see the sweater she's wearing?
on the dog.
No.
Can you see the sweater she's
She's
wearing?
so good she can use fork and spoon to eat rice.
Fork and spoon to eat, right? Javen, what are you talking? She's a dog, Javen.
I use fork to eat rice.
What?
You
People use spoon.
Can you
no,
see her?
no shit, right? I use my pillowcase to eat rice.
Are you all able to see her?
No.
Earlier was able to. Oh no.
Darcy.
Why does Bull look so tired? Looks like Javen.
And she's wearing a sweater. A vest, actually.
Looks like Javen's background.
Looks like Jaden's background. All right, let me put back my tuition. Alrighty, I think I prefer this. Okay,
And I don't prefer that.
let's continue our lesson.
Why does Aiman look so black?
I don't know. Settings maybe. All right, let's go. So the next one, hang on, I got some chat buttons. Are you still
What?
Yeah. Yes, sweetheart. I'm living here, at least for the last couple of years. My
Wait,
fam-
When
Are,
are you
are,
going?
are you coming back to
Yeah.
Singapore?
Yeah, when are you coming back to Singapore?
Sweetie, I finished my master's here and I'm trying to find job here, so I wouldn't be coming back to Singapore.
Just work as a McDonald's drive-thru.
So it's like you're never coming back to Singapore. Are you gonna come back to Singapore?
Singapore.
Maybe for Why? holidays. Maybe for holidays.
Maybe holiday.
Why you don't want to come back to Singapore?
I'm done with Singapore.
Yeah, all can play basketball. Eh?
I did
But football better.
for so many years I was
No.
born.
No, not.
Yes.
No.
But my guy is wearing a Manchester United jersey. Like, don't tell, bro. Please, girl, I can't even hear you talking. They're talking.
I'm
Yeah.
not.
What's
What-
talking?
What I meant to say is that my mom and we came here because my sister, her husband and kids, my brother, his wife and his kids, they all have been here for
Oh, Caitlin not here in school.
20 years.
Ah, bro, let me listen to the teacher.
Oh, okay, wait. I muted. Oh,
Never mind. You know what? Let's just continue. Another day, another topic. All right, let's go. Alrighty. Yeah, but if I do
That
come,
is about to go insane. Oh my god, like, shut up.
Oh,
No.
Haley is like, you already have a job as tuition teacher. Oh, thanks, Zini. I was actually an MOE teacher. I was teaching in Raffles Girls Primary and Whitley Secondary for like a very long time. But
And my cousin is in Raffles Girl Primary.
as a teacher,
Yeah. I mean, no, as a student. What the
all right, let's go on. Thank you, Zini. You can say that.
Why does Javen have a cat?
I don't know. Javen is just being Javen, stop being a pain. All right, guys. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 10 questions here. So I need you guys. Some of y'all will be going twice. Let's start with back to number 1, which will be Tsiyang. But before Tsiyang gives me the answer, something that none of y'all do, and it's a very important technique, especially when you get closed passage, right, is to read the whole passage. So I'm going to read the passage for you very quickly. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The stories are a mix of fact-fiction. Example, there are many colorful stories about characters named Captain Kidd and Blackbeard. These stories are mostly made up, though the characters were real pirates. Real pirates used ships that dashed small and swift. They could attack much larger and better armed ships. With their swords and pistols, pirates boarded the ships and stole cargo and valuable goods. Can I just pause here right now? Can you see the word swords? This is a very commonly mispronounced word among Singaporean students. They normally pronounce this as sword, but you need to take away the W and you need to pronounce sword. Yeah, so W is silent, so it is sword. So with their swords and pistols, pirates boarded their ships and stole cargo and valuable goods. Sometimes they even took the ship dash. Some pirate crews obeyed strict rules on their ships, such as disallowing women on board. However, dash women disguised themselves as men in order to join pirate crews. All right, so this passage is about pirates and about them being criminals and what they do. All right, so what you need to do is always read the passage first and then go on to fill up the blanks. Shall we start with Tsiyang? Tsiyang, number 6.
Okay. Pirates and criminals are definitions. Right, the answer is F.
Yes, a common symbol of piracy was, all right, so it's F, thank you, was the Jolly Roger, a black flag, Sini? Sini? It's a black flag dash a white skull. I'll give you a hint. The black, the white. Oh, you said with? Oh, I didn't hear that. Sorry, darling. A black flag with a white skull. And yes, all right. So this tells you the contents of the flag and how it looks like. All right, next person, Javen. Many of the ideas that people have
About pirates.
Thank you. About pirates. So that's G. About pirates have come from books and movies. Thank you. And then Haley, the stories are a mix of fact.
Wait. And fiction.
And this is very common. Fact and fiction. This term, fact and fiction, is a very common one. All right. So fact is something that has happened before, and fiction is something that is made up. So a lot of your movies can be fiction, but when you something that is real, it could be either truly inspired stories or it could be even documentaries. So facts are things that happened, and fictions are imaginary. Continue number 10, Aiman. Dash example are many colorful stories.
Huh?
Dash example.
Dash example.
Number 10.
P. Answer P.
Yes, for example.
Angry Bird.
Sorry, Haley said and, right? What was the answer for and? A-N-D-L. All right, so LP. Okay, for example, there are many colorful stories about characters named Captain Kidd and Blackbeard. Tsiyang, dash, the stories mostly are made up. Tsiyang? So is he speaking? Because I can't hear him.
He's not speaking.
Is the K.
Yes, however, another thing is every time you use the word however, Immediately after how